Hello, welcome to Upsana classes. Today in this video, let's know everything about the double sideband suppressed carrier. So before knowing the double sideband suppressed carrier, you need to know about the amplitude modulations. The equation of the amplitude modulation, the time domain equations. What is the time domain equation in the amplitude modulations? That is V is equal to Vc sine 2 pi Fct plus MVc by 2 of, just I am taking the MVC common. In the previous classes that when we derived, we didn't take the common of the MVC by 2. That's it. Don't get confused. Cos 2 pi. Just I am taking also the 2 pi FC minus Fm of t plus minus cos 2 pi Fc plus Fm of t. Okay. So this is the actual amplitude modulation time domain equation in amplitude modulation, right? But the next technique to amplitude modulation is double sideband suppressed carrier. So in the double sideband suppressed carrier, we need to suppress the carrier. Why so? Because the information that we want to transmit is carried by both the lower and upper sidebands, but the carrier signal is unwantedly that we are sending. So by that, the large amount of power is wasted. So in order to reduce the power, in order to reduce the consumption of the power, so we got another technique, that is the double sideband with suppressed carrier. We just suppress the carrier, but we using the carrier, but we just suppress in terms of when we are sending it. Okay, fine. Then what is the time domain in the double sideband suppressed carrier? So time domain equation in double sideband suppressed carrier. So we are suppressing. So just avoid this. Write remaining both. So that is the time domain equation in DSBSC. Simple. Okay. What is that? MVC by 2 of cos 2 pi Fc minus Fm of t minus cos 2 pi Fc plus Fm of t. So this is the time domain equation in double sideband suppressed carrier. Okay, we got the equation. Next, frequency spectrum. So what is the frequency spectrum actually? It is nothing but a representing a different type of the frequency in a same band is nothing but a frequency spectrum. So what are the different frequencies that we are having here? Two frequencies like Fc minus Fm and Fc plus Fm. So Fc minus Fm, Fc plus Fm. So what are the voltages that we are having on both respectively? MVC by 2, right? Same level, MVC by 2. MVC by 2, MVC by 2. But we are not completely avoiding carrier. So we just suppressing. So also denote that with suppressive lines, means dotted lines. So what is the voltages that we are having here, amplitude that we are having here, Vc. Then what is the frequency that is related with the carrier? Fc. So frequency is Fc and the amplitude is Vc. So this is the frequency spectrum in the DSBSC. Next one, bandwidth. So what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but the differences of upper and the lower sidebands. So what are the upper sideband that we are having here? Fc plus Fm. Fc plus Fm. Then what is the lower sideband that we are having here? Fc minus Fm. So if you simplify, Fc plus Fm minus Fc plus Fm. Okay. Then we get 2 Fm. Right? Same in the 2 Fm. The bandwidth of DSBSC and in amplitude modulations are same because the frequency ranges are both lower and upper sidebands are equal in both. And next one. So how much power that we saved in the DSBSC is nothing but how much power that is consumed by the carrier power, isn't it? Then power saving is equal to carrier power by total power into 100 if it is in terms of percentage. Okay. Then in the last video we calculated, we derived the equation for the total power, right? So what is the equation for the total power? Total power is nothing but Pc of 1 plus m square by 2. Just write here. Pc of 1 plus m square by 2 into 100. So the carrier power is Pc simply. Okay. This is the percent of power saving. Just cancel Pc please. Then what is the percentile power saving? 1 by 1 plus m square by 2 into 100. So if you simplify that, you get 2 by 2 plus m square into 100 in terms of percentile PS, power saving. Okay. If the modulation is 100%, then m is equal to 1, right? If m is equal to 1, then what is the percentage that what is the percentage of the power that we saved? Means consumption of the power on the carrier, both are same, is nothing but 2 by 2 plus 1 square into 100 is equal to 2 by 3 into 100 is equal to 66.66% of power is saved. Okay, but in AM only 33.33%, but in DSBSC 66.66%. See, nearly half of the power is wasted, right? So that this DSBSC is simplified. In the next one, in the next classes, we can also see single sideband suppressed carriers. Means here we are sending two sidebands, but in that only one sideband is carried. I'll tell you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.